Hi and welcome. As we continue with our communication series, we're going to go over the 7C's of communication: clear, correct, complete, concrete, conscious, considerate, and courteous. I know you're thinking that is a lot of information that's necessary to go into every time you communicate. However, it's important that you keep consistent with your form of communication when you communicate with people. Whether it's a loved one, a friend, a employee or employer, you want to make sure that you cover all 7 of these C's. When you do, it just makes your communication more clear. And whoever you're speaking to will have a full understanding of what you are saying. And we're going to go through each one of those categories in a separate video. Now, it takes practice. You can't expect to be able to actually use all of these components immediately and every time you have a communication with someone, but it's important that you start adapting to these important aspects of communication. So the 7C's are gathered by different theorists and different professors, depending on, like, if it's okay, you at work, definitely, then you have relationships, definitely, you're going to use and apply them differently in different situations. However, just being able to understand what communication is and the parts of communication and how to effectively communicate, that's going to make every area in your life better. It's going to level you up, shall I say. So again, those 7C's of communication is clear, correct, complete, concrete, conscious, considerate, and courteous. Thank you.